Amazing morning, everyone. I'm Annette Laban, and I'm here to share with you kung ano ang naitulong ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley sa akin. Actually, last year, I went to the doctor. I thought meron po akong heart ailment. So, they conducted ECG. But thank God and praise God kasi everything is normal. Wala pong heart condition. Everything is normal. However, nakaling po yung symptoms na naranasan ko last year dun po sa acid reflux or GERD. And so, yung doctor, as per his diagnosis, bibigyan niya po ako ng reseta. Okay, it's an old receipt. Sabi sa akin, mag-take ako ng Gaviscon at Omeprazole for 14 days. However, sabi ng doctor, hindi pa rin guarantee na totally ma-cure yung acid reflux mo kasi pwede yan bumalik. Especially kapag kakain ka ng mga pagkain bawal sa'yo, like yung mga ice cream, chocolates, coffee, or kapag nai-stress ka, babalik yan sa'yo. So, it only means that itong synthetic medicine na to, ano lang siya, temporary relief lang yung ibibigay niya. Don't you know na tinake ko pa din yung advice ng doctor kasi yun ang sabi niya. Okay? However, nag-take din po ako ng barley twice a day, 30 minutes before breakfast and 2 hours after dinner naman. After 5 days of taking barley with medication, I felt much better na. Actually, kahit hindi ko na ituloy kasi wala na ako nararanasan na symptoms, pero I still followed yung doctor's advice. Now, after 14 days, wala na ako nararanasan until now. So, kahit kumain ako actually ng mga pagkain bawal sa akin, yung ice cream, chocolates, or coffees, right now, hindi na ako nakakaranas ng acid reflux. Pero, kinukontinue ko pa din actually ang pag-take ko ng barley. Once a day na nga lang. So, it only means na nakorek na ng barley yung acid reflux ko. Thank God, ginamit ng Lord itong barley para gumaling ako sa GERD or acid reflux. Hindi lang ako ang nagtitik nito, nagtitik din nito yung mga anak ko, pati asawa ko, kaming buong family, at nararanasan din nila yung health benefits. Now, barley is my food supplement. This is my superfood every morning. So, nakakatulong ito para to strengthen my immunity against any sicknesses or diseases. I feel much better now. I feel much healthier now. Okay? So, kung ikaw, meron ka ring GERD or acid reflux, why don't you try this amazing pure organic barley? Baka makatulong din naman sa'yo. Alright? So, thank you for watching and God bless us all.